Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem Evaluate Boolean Binary Tree. The title speaks for itself. We're given the root of a full binary tree, so full for our convenience. Leaf nodes have values false or true, non-leaf nodes have or and evaluation is even spelled out as follows. That for a leaf node the value is just what is written, true or false. Otherwise we have to evaluate two children and apply the corresponding operator, which is or and. And of course we have to evaluate the whole tree. Here we're given an example, and indeed the final result is an or of evaluating this and this, true, false, set true. So this is just a simple implementation problem. We can do it in a straightforward way. So just, of course, if we're a leaf, just return our value. Otherwise we have to evaluate the left side and perhaps the right side as well, because for or and we can short circuit. We already know the answer sometimes without evaluating the second operand, since if we have an or and the first thing we evaluate is already true, then we don't have to even touch the second. So in this case, if we were to recurse here, we'll see true. We actually don't have to calculate this whole thing to know that the answer is true. In this case, I first recurse on right and then on left. It doesn't change the semantics of the answer. And of course, if we're or, which is denoted as 2, we just take an or. If we're and, which is denoted by 3, we do the and that's it. And of course, there are also other ways of writing it down. For instance, we can just do, first of all, take our left and right children. We can map the function evaluate tree on both of those. So now we have here a generator that will give us first evaluate tree of left, then evaluate tree of right when necessary. And either we have to have any, if we are an or node, or all of those to be true. So this is a pretty short and concise way of writing essentially the same thing as above.